top news headline, Irrawaddy Foundation, Manipur, deliberates on current drought situation in Manipur. Jiribam Hospital in pathetic condition, Manpeg. Assam all set to host India versus Oman FIFA World Cup qualifier. Hello and good afternoon. You are watching the news today at 1 p.m. I am Maria Pangamam. Now, let's have the news in details. Irrawaddy Foundation Manipur held a discussion program related to the current drought situation facing the state and to find ways to tackle public issues, mainly concerning farmers today at the Manipur Press Club Imphal. The discussion was attended by President of Irrawaddy Foundation Manipur, Thieves Ajit, Vice President of Amuko, K. Khelen, President of Amawova, Y. Kunjarani, President of Amesco, B. K. Morangcha, and representatives of several farmers' bodies under the foundation. Talking on the sidelines of the event, Secretary General of Irrawaddy Foundation, K.H. Gopen Luang, said that the foundation welcomes the government declaration of the Manipur as a drought-hit state. He added that a memorandum will be submitted to the Chief Minister and Governor regarding the issues faced by the farmer in the state.
Minister MLA Singh aduga officer kayana laumi singi sakhau paiduna ngasidi laumi praja singbu woli Prajagi sen khaktamak loisinba madugi kanabadi laumi praja singna phangba ngamdaba kayasina ngasidi man made drought ama artificial drought ama khoi Manipurda laumi praja khoida khudol pirare mamang da thokiba isauda sokiba mayamdugi compensation phangde thungde haiduna ngasi su khabar da TV da lauduna lebigi kholauna akhoigi atyasin ninduna leiri.
Members of Manipur People Against CAB Manpeg visited the lone 50-bedded hospital of Jiribam district located at Uchathol last evening, during which the hospital was found in a pathetic condition. It is worth mentioning that the team visited the hospital on their way to Mizoram. Talking to the media, Jitendra Ningomba of Manpeg Committee expressed dismay over the miserable condition of the hospital, which is totally against the expectation of the people. Doctors of Jiribam Hospital, members of Manpeg Committee, Chief Medical Officer of Jiribam Hospital, Dr. Okendro Singh, took part in the hospital inspection visit. With Assam all set to host the upcoming Football World Cup qualifiers at the Indira Gandhi Athletic Stadium in Sarusajai tomorrow, the Indian men's football team reached Guwahati on Monday ahead of their match against Oman. The match will kick off India's FIFA World Cup 2022 qualifying campaign and also the joint qualification process for the AFC Asian Cup China 2023. Many of the players in the Indian men football squad level Guwahati as a special venue for them, with Sandesh Jingan and Pritam Kotal having made their international debuts at the venue in 2015, when India took on Nepal in the qualifiers for the World Cup qualifiers. Women Against Crime will pay floral tributes to all the departed victims of the crime against women and child on the 20th of this month at GM Hall in Fa. This was informed in the press release from the Organization for Indian Women Against Crime Kesampat. The press release also urged the general public to take part in the event. Well, we are heading to a short break, but coming up, cleanliness drive conducted in and around Moreh Hospital. Do stay tuned.
Kangla food product ti iram dong dia seng ma mahong. Yeng dio garlic mixer khatana tana Kangla gi no food item singi mahok khangla bada ngauroi daw kana bu leibagi. Kangla
Manipuri ahanba 24/7 cab service oiriba lamjingba cab na ahanba oina miyam gidamakta monsoon offer ama pijari. Pijari bo offer adudi 5% discount on any trip or any package. Akupamorol gidamak contact tobiu Lamjingba Cab, Nagamapal Rims Road, Lamjingba Group Building, opposite to Lamjingba Nidhi Limited, Imphal. Aikogi phone number 1800-1027-959 natraga 8794613154.
Welcome back. Moray Consumers Club conducted a cleanliness program in the surrounding area of Moray Hospital today. The event was attended by the president of Moray Consumers Club, the Saiboy Haukip, several members of the club and the officials of 43 Assam Rifles and Fire Service. Vice President of Moray Consumers Club, A. Alauddin, lauded all the participants and urged the general public and staff of the Moray Hospital for maintaining cleanliness in the hospital campus and its surrounding area.
Moray Lamdam Sigi, Quadi Maru Badi, a Moray Hospital Sini, or the Moray Hospital, see a Luna Nana Tambai, a Moray Consumer Kaloki, Makai Degi, saying Luna Nana Tambai, Japuya Pamani, Aduna, Masida, Apogi, Sida Hospital Ladiba, Apogi, Great for Amadi, Hospital Marine, never sing now, Apogi, Hospital Sibu Luna Nana Tamnava, Apoy, Ponamina, Hiraga.
Relief Center for the Welfare of Differently Abled Person, Kwakta Santong of Bisnupur Unit provided water to local farmers for irrigation purposes yesterday. According to our correspondent, the step has been taken up by the Secretary of the Center, Ningthozam Lakhikanta, to help farmers and their paddy fields in the area. Thobal police apprehended a bootlegger identified as Lysram Brazen Singh, aged 42, son of El Brazamohan Singh of Kangabok, Sorok, Wangma. The police also seized 300 liters of distilled indigenous country liquor from his residence. He was later handed over to the excise Thobal for further legal action, a report said today. Two non-locals have been apprehended by police on the charge of stealing jewelry at Kaichel Manbi Military Colony KMC under Kangpokpi district of Manipur. The arrested individuals have been identified as Ras Kishore, son of Jai Hind Saha of Jharkhand, and Vinod Saha, son of El Sital Saha of Bihar. According to the reports, the duo were caught red-handed by the locals of KMC on September 2 when they tried to steal gold ornaments which they were cleaning and beautifying. When interrogated at the office of KYA, they disclosed that they had been fooling their customers for a long time. They also disclosed that they were currently staying at Kangpokpi Ward number 7. Later, the two frauds were handed over to Kangpokpi police for further investigation. Days after a 73-year-old doctor died after mob assault at the tea estate in Jorhat district of Assam, the Health Ministry has come up with a draft bill that proposes a maximum jail term of 10 years and a maximum fine of rupees 10 lakh for people who assault doctors on duty. As per reports, the draft bill named as the Healthcare Service Personnel and Clinical Establishment. Prohibition of the Violence and Damage to the Property Bill 2019 has been made public on Monday. The teachers and the students of Jakugdor and Borovekra Gram Panchayat of Barak Circle, Judibam, are facing lack of proper road condition and adequate number of teachers. Students of Netaji High School are giving exams through there is no Mitay Mayek teachers in the school. During a visit by a media team at Guakhal Government Primary School, Jakuradhor Part 1 LP School, Netaji High School and Borovekra Higher Secondary School, no proper infrastructure was seen there. Headmaster of LP School, Jakuradhor Part 1, KH Dinesh Singh said that the government and concerned authority has neglected the school for a long time. He added that the school is in the deteriorating state and the students of the class 1 and 2 are studying in the same classroom. The students of Netaji High School were seen studying with great enthusiasm. The local MLA had recently visited the school under School Fagadhansi mission. Headmaster of the school, Pravitra Kumar, said that the school once had many Manipuri teachers and students, but now there are only 10 Manipuri students with no longer teacher. Principal of Borovekra Higher Secondary School, G. Manglen Sarma, said that there are 35 teachers and 531 students in the school. The principal of the school has been staying in one of the classrooms since there is no teacher's quarter. He added that they fear the school can collapse anytime as the wall of the school building had developed a huge crack after earthquake in the past. Despite the initiative to make Manipuri subject compulsory, there are no Mitai-Mek teachers in several schools located in remote parts of the state.
Class 10 da hojik ani leiden. Class 10 da.
Manipuri lower.
9 da yaw da lower class khara leiden.
The 3-day trap shooting competition organized by Manipur Rifle Association in Imphal will start today, which will end on September 6 at Langai International Nongpok Sanjianbam, Imphal East. Interested shooters may participate in the competition through one-line entry. We are having another short break, but coming up, Employee State Insurance ESI scheme implemented in the Kohima municipal area under Phase 2 of the Employee State Insurance Corporation. More after the break. Stay tuned.
Manipur da ihan hanbo oina lamjingba jewelry na market ta phangba sana mayam sigi quality check tawbagi khudong chaba pijari. Adom ki leijariba sanada yauriba alloy amadi elements kayagi chang marik chumna accurate quality amadi quantity galoina na khanganba ngamlagani. Lamjingba jewelry na pijariba khudong chaba asi lobihau adom gi sana adu sengi natraga sengde haibagi chingnaba du kokhanbiyo. Akupa marol gidamak lamjingba jewelry da lengsinbirau.
Lamjingba Jewelry, good quality is our priority.
Salai Holdings Private Limited की Smart Universal Academy बो अगस्त की तांग तरा निपाल दा Hotel Taj West and Bengaluru दा Blind Wing की India न सिंबा India Education Award 2019 ये तोपगी थोरम दा Best Digital School with CSR Initiative in Manipur 2019 हाइबा award अमदी तांग कुंगनी थोई दा दिल्ली की ताजमहल होटल दा Integrated Ichiverse न सिंधुना पांगतोखिबा 10th National Education and Business Summit 2019 दा स्कूल असी की President Dr. Naringum Samarjit Singh दा National Education Excellence Award 2019 पिराकोदा ngakoi लेतना नुंगाइबा फोंगदोक.
Welcome back. The Ministry of Labour and Employment has notified that the Employee State Insurance ESI scheme has been implemented in the Kohima municipal area under second phase of the Employee State Insurance Corporation ESIC scheme. It has been implemented in all the areas falling under Kohima Municipal Council as of September 1. The ESIC scheme is an integrated measure of social insurance embodied in the Employee State Insurance Act and is designed to protect employees as defined in the Employee State Insurance Act 1948 against the impact of incidents of sickness, maternity, disablement, and death due to the employment injury, and to provide medical care to insured persons, IP, and their families. The ESI scheme applies to the factories and other establishments wherein 10 or more persons are employed. Employees of the factories and establishments drawing wages up to Rs 15,000 a month are entitled to Social Security cover under the ESI. The 7th edition of Dorji Khandu Memorial State Open Badminton Championship 2019 is all set to be held at the Ras Bhavan and MLA Cottage Badminton Stadiums in Itanagar, Arunachal Pradesh from September 6 to 11 next month. As per report sponsored by the Department of Sports, the championship, which is being organized by the Arunachal State Badminton Association ASBA, would witness a total of 332 settlers, including 80 females and 242 males from 23 districts of the state. Prime Minister Narendra Modi arrived in Russia today on a 2-day visit, during which he will hold summit talks with President Vladimir Putin and attend the Eastern Economic Forum. His visit to the Russian Far East region is the first by an Indian Prime Minister. Modi tweeted as soon as he landed in the Vladivostok, stating that he is looking forward to the visit. India and Japan have decided to hold their first foreign and defense ministerial dialogue 2+2 ahead of the Japan-India Annual Summit this year for advancing cooperation towards peace and prosperity of the Indo-Pacific region. The accord on the meeting was reached by Defense Minister Rajnath Singh and his Japanese counterpart Takeshi Iwaya at the Indian-Japan Annual Defense Ministerial Dialogue. Before we wrap up the bulletin, the headlines once again. Irrawaddy Foundation, Manipur, deliberates on current drought situation in Manipur. Jiribam Hospital in pathetic condition, Manpeg. Assam all set to host India versus Oman FIFA World Cup qualifier. That's all for today. Keep watching Times of Manipur.